she's acting like she doesn't care. But here's what's really happening. Bro, I know what you're thinking. You pulled back, gave her space, and she's out here acting like she doesn't even notice. No text, no reaction, just business as usual. And that silence, it messes with your head. You start questioning everything. Was she ever even into me? Did I mean nothing? But listen to me, just because she's not showing it doesn't mean she's not feeling it. Women don't always react right away. On the surface, she's keeping it cool, but deep down, that silence is hitting harder than she expected. The moment you stop chasing, stop proving yourself, stop making yourself available, something shifts. And it's not just about missing you, it's about the realization that she might have just lost something real. So let me break it down for you. I'm gonna walk you through exactly what's happening in her mind when you stop giving her attention. Because once you understand this, you'll never doubt your worth again. Point 1. She thought you'd always be there. It's funny how we only start missing things once they're gone. Like when your favorite show gets cancelled and suddenly you realize how much you loved it. The same thing happens in relationships. When a woman thinks you're always going to be there, she doesn't stop to appreciate it, because in her mind, you're permanent, like a song she can always replay. She assumes you'll always reply, always check in, always care. That's why, when you were giving her all your attention, she didn't think twice about it. It was expected, but the second you stop, that's when things shift. The good morning texts don't come. She checks her phone, and your name isn't there. At first, she tells herself, he's just busy, but as time goes on, she starts to feel something she didn't expect, doubt. She wonders, did I push him away? Was I wrong about him? And the worst part, she can't just snap her fingers and get your attention like before. Now, she's forced to sit with the silence, and that silence, it's louder than any words you could have said. Point 2. The more you stay quiet, the more she thinks. Ever had a song stuck in your head, but you can't remember the lyrics? It drives you crazy, right? That's exactly what happens when you go silent on her. She was so used to knowing exactly where she stood with you. Your attention, your responses, your presence, it was all predictable. But now there's a gap, and her mind is scrambling to fill it. She starts overanalyzing old conversations. Was there something she missed? A sign she didn't pick up on? She'll check her phone, expecting to see your name pop up. And when it doesn't, frustration starts setting in. The silence makes her restless, and the more she tries to ignore it, the louder it gets. And here's the key. It's not just about missing you. It's about the fact that she doesn't know if you're missing her. That uncertainty, that's what really gets to her. Because when a woman doesn't have clarity, her mind won't let her rest until she figures it out. Point 3. She acts like she doesn't care, but it's an act. At first, she plays it cool. She posts selfies, hangs out with friends, maybe even throws in a cryptic caption about new beginnings, like she's completely unbothered. She wants you to think she's thriving, that your absence means nothing, but that's just the show she puts on for everyone else. The reality? She's checking her phone more than usual. She notices that you're not texting like before. She might even start laughing extra loud in group settings, as if proving to the world and herself that she's fine. But deep down, something feels off. See, women don't process loss instantly. It builds. At first, she tells herself, he'll text eventually. Then days pass, then a week, and that confidence, it starts to fade. Now, every quiet moment feels heavier, and the silence you left behind, it's doing more damage than any argument ever could. Point 4. She finds excuses to check in, even if it's indirect. At first, she won't reach out directly. That would be too obvious. Instead, she finds little ways to keep tabs on you. Maybe she starts watching your stories more often, even though she never used to. Maybe she randomly likes an old post, something subtle, just to remind you she's still around. Or maybe she casually asks a mutual friend, "Hey, how's he been?" Like she's just making small talk. She's not going to admit she's curious about you, but trust me, she is. And the more she sees you living your life without her, the more it starts messing with her. Because this isn't just about missing you anymore. It's about the fear that you're actually moving on. And that's a whole different kind of panic. Point 5. She starts dropping subtle hints. She won't just come out and say she misses you. That would be too easy. Instead, she'll test the waters in small, calculated ways. Maybe she sends a random, "Hey, hope you're good" text, something casual, but just enough to see if you'll take the bait. Maybe she suddenly likes an old post of yours, or leaves a vague comment on your story, just to remind you she's still there. And here's where most guys mess up. They see these small signals and jump in too quickly, thinking it means she's ready to come back. But in reality, she's just checking to see if she still has control over you. If you respond too fast, if you act too eager, she'll know she does. A man who values himself doesn't chase after breadcrumbs. He waits to see real effort, because if she truly regrets losing you, she won't just drop hints, she'll make it obvious she wants back in. Point 6. She starts feeling the loss for real. Bro, she acts like she's fine. She stays busy, goes out more, maybe even flirts with someone new just to prove to herself she's moved on. But that's all just noise. The real moment it hits, it's when she's alone. She'll stay busy, go out more, maybe even flirt with someone new just to prove to herself she's moved on. But that's all just noise. The real moment it hits, it's when she's alone. She'll be lying in bed, scrolling through her phone, and suddenly she's staring at old messages, or she hears a song that reminds her of you, and boom, there's that lump in her throat. She starts remembering the little things, the way you made her laugh when she had a bad day, the way you actually listened when she talked, and now, she's realizing no amount of distractions can replace that. And she doesn't just miss you, she regrets how she treated you. She wonders, did I mess up? Did I let go of something real? And that thought, it's not going away anytime soon. Point 7. When she realizes she can't just get you back. At this point, she's starting to feel the weight of her choices, and that's when she'll decide whether she's going to try to get you back for real. But this isn't about whether she wants you back. It's about whether she's willing to put in the effort to earn another chance. Most guys fail here because they let her walk back in too easily. The second she gives them a little attention, they drop their guard. But a man who truly values himself doesn't just let her back in, he makes her prove she's serious. Because this isn't just about getting her back, it's about making sure you never have to chase validation again. And lastly, listen bro, this was never about making her chase you. This was about you realizing your own value. When you stop chasing, when you stop proving yourself, you put the focus back on your own worth. And once you do that, you'll never need to chase validation again.